for like 15 years, been like not really looking at people. Now I can talk to the camera. I can smile.
Cliona is like, what a great example of what this Smile Maker's transformation journey can mean. She had been saving for 15 to 20 years.
I've done a lot of work to get to a place where I'm like healthy enough and financially able. It took like 15 years to be able to do that.
And she was ultimately trying to find that right office that she felt comfortable with.
I was scrolling on Facebook. An advertisement showed up for Dr. Ewing. I saw his wonderful video for a free consultation, and I just decided to come up and made an appointment, and I found my forever dentist.
And this has just been such a great journey to see her light up and be enjoying her smile. She came in, we took out those painful infected teeth. We gave her beautiful, elegant teeth the same day. It was an honor to get to help Cliona out, and we look forward to taking care of her in the years to come.
I'm a new person. I can talk to people now. People think I'm a smiley person now, and I've never been a smiley person. My name is Cliona Ward. I'm ecstatic to be here at Smile Makers.